Rip rod. How'd that happen on the, oh, she's hooked in the mouth. Some of that Trinity River water in my mouth. I got no rope. Yeah, they're in there.
Where is it?
In the crate.
Got it. How big is he, man?
Not 5. Maybe 5. Yeah, bring the boat to me if you can.
She's bigger than you think. She's easy fun. Oh man, look where she's going.
This little thing. Barely. Oh, she's not hooked. I'll have her right.
Is she hooked?
Yeah, just like barely through a tiny bit of skin in her mouth. Okay. Now, what I've been doing is grab her. Push. There we go. And then let's go ahead and cut that. You bring it my way, I can cut it real quick.
I just don't want to lose all that shit either.
I got her.
I cut it.
Alright, and go ahead and grab one paddle and I'll meet you up there. I had a decent gar earlier from the kayak. Here's one more. This one's under 4 foot, or right at 4 foot. We're gonna go ahead and let her on go. Really pretty in the face. She's got this huge openings in her face where they come up in these gaps. Big old female gar, you can tell. She's gonna be a big gar one day. There she goes. Woo! You
ready?
Yeah, maybe count to like 5. The drag or what? Don't let her get any further. Just don't worry about the drag. Is it big? So you get in the yak? It's worth the yak?
Yeah, you good.
Yeah.
Go ahead, get in.
Yeah. Is it 7 or no? I don't want to take your fish if it's not. Big? Alright, I'm gonna push this to the other side of the river. Just pull like that. Yeah, just like that. We're gonna go to the other side of the river. 5?
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah, the other one stayed down. The other one you had was bigger than this one. Woo! That's cool. There didn't seem to be that many snags to the left side of it. Just a little one. Just a little guy. Gotta spit your bait here in a second. Yep.